After installing the Saves Kids app, you need to pair it with the Saves Parent app to complete the installation process. If you haven't installed the Parent app, here's the tutorial. Pair your child's device with your device. Tap Don't Have Parental app. Scan the QR code with your mobile device. Install the Saves Parent app. Follow the sign-up process either by using your email or phone number. Enter your credentials. Verify your account by entering the code sent to your email. You can set a password for your account or just skip the process. Now you need to set a PIN code for your Saves Parent. You'll need this PIN in the future for opening or uninstalling the app. Tap on Add New Child and then press Continue. On the dashboard, tap Add New Device. Choose iOS. Tap Download from App Store. There you can see the pair code. Enter the pair code in the Saves Kids app on your child's device. Now your devices are paired and you can set customized roles for your child's device.